Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Thursday's video. It has been a hot minute. This is the hot minute week apparently, because it's been a hot minute since I did resin flowers, and it's been a hot minute since I poured these molds. So these are little succulent molds, and my housemate wants some for the front of the house, so next to our library kind of area. And I had recently seen, I will put the link in the iCard up there. I had recently seen a video from a woman who, she made resin letters and then she added drops of colored resin in there, kind of similar to the resin flowers, okay? She had added drops in there and then added a second layer of drops of a color on the top. And it kind of gave this like smoky kind of look to it. So I'm going to give that a shot. I've got my cast and craft here. I've got some brown paste because I want to use this as the color behind the white. Okay, because I do want it to look kind of smoky-ish. And then I think after that we will probably either keep them clear. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how I feel. We'll either keep them clear or we'll back them in like a black. So that's what we're doing today. I'm so excited to give this this technique a shot. Again, I will have her video linked in the iCard as well as the description box below if you want to check it out. And yeah, let's go ahead and get our resin warmed up, get it mixed. Let's go. right, friends. I'm not hopeful.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
Okay, so what had happened was, as I was doing the drops, I could feel that this one in particular was very hot under my hand, or my glove. And so this one's superheated. I'm not sure why. In regards to depth, it's not that much more than this one. You can see. Also, I don't know. We'll see. All right. Let's just take this one out because we know this one's going to be terrible. I don't know what happened. I don't know. Because the white and brown were also starting to kick off. So, maybe I heated the resin too long in front of my heater before pouring. I'm not sure. Yeah. That looks terrible. It just looks like globs of white. For reference, this is what it's supposed to look like. Next time I try this technique, I'm going to use letters. It had been a while since I broke out these molds, so I wanted to play with them again. Lord. I don't know why I thought that this would be a good look. I don't. Clearly my brain is just fried. And I'm not elevated. I can't handle the devil's lettuce, so that's not the issue. I think I'm just stupid. Okay, alright, now look. This one kind of did what I wanted on the sides. Kind of did what I wanted. That's more of what I was going for. It still doesn't look great. Oh my god. Why? Look, if y'all ever wanted to see that I am definitely not a professional resin artist, nor will I ever claim to be one. Proof positive. Okay? Alright, well, this is a fail. I don't even know if I'm going to post this. Ugh. All that resin. All that work. God. Anyway. Just in case I do post it, if you enjoyed this fail, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button just to send me encouragement, please. If you're new to my channel, it's not always like this, so hit the red subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, all that jazz. Alright, well, thanks for coming along this journey with me, and I hope that you have a much better day than me. Have a great day, guys. Take care.